When I said my children raised their scores simply through questioning, some parents replied, "That's great, but mine just say, I don't know, no matter what I ask. I don't even know what's happening at school." What about your child? "I don't know" doesn't usually mean they weren't paying attention. More often, it's a sign their brain is overloaded. Today, I'll explain why "I don't know" is often a stress response, and share a simple 3-step tool to unlock their thinking. Part 1. Why kids say "I don't know." When children hear a question, 3 things happen in their brain. First, search phase. Their brain tries to find information. Second, language phase. They try to turn that thought into words. Third, confidence phase. They decide, is this safe to say out loud? If any of these fail, the mouth says, "I don't know." "I don't know" does not mean "I learned nothing." It often means "I can't organize my thought yet." Part 2. The neuroscience of the freeze. Scenario A. The pressure cooker. When a child hears, "Come on, you just learned this," their brain senses a social evaluative threat. The amygdala, security guard. It fires up. It thinks, "I might look stupid or I might disappoint mom." The prefrontal cortex, the CEO. Under stress, the CEO of the brain loses power. Working memory is flooded with anxiety, making it physically harder to retrieve facts. The result, the brain chooses safety over accuracy. Silence is safer than being wrong. Scenario B, the collaborative approach. When you say, "This is a tough one, let's look at it together," you send a safety signal. The amygdala stays calm. The prefrontal cortex stays online. Dopamine reward. When they get a small part right, their brain releases dopamine. This doesn't just make them happy, it actually strengthens the neural connection between effort and success. Part 3. The magic 3-step question tool. Step 1. Reduce the cognitive load. Instead of an open-ended "why," give them a binary choice. Instead of "Why did the Roman Empire fall?" say, "Do you think it was because they ran out of money or because their army got too weak?" Why it works. Choosing is easier for the brain than creating from scratch. Step 2. Value messy. Thinking lower the bar for the language phase. Say, "You don't need a perfect sentence. Just give me one word that comes to mind." Why it works. It breaks the perfectionism seal. Step 3. Co-construct the answer child. Money. Parent. Right, money. And if they had no money, could they pay their soldiers? Child. No. Parent. Exactly. Now you're thinking like a historian. Why it works. You are training the process of reasoning, not just the act of memorizing. Part 4. What questioning really trains. Great questioning isn't about getting the right answer. It's about training, search endurance, logical connecting, the courage to be partially right. If you want more tools to help your child become a deep thinker, hit subscribe. Thank you for watching.